Welcome to another video on this channel. Now, this video is an update on Treasury bills. And over the years, Treasury bills have been one of the major investment options for people. But it got to a time, people got to realize that, by the time they are through with their investment, inflation covers it. So some people back away from it. So let's see some of the new developments that may, it might attract you, and it can help you to decide whether to invest in Treasury bill or not. So I believe this video is going to provide you with some values, and if you find this video helpful, then don't hesitate to give this video a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more videos. So guys, as I said, Treasury bills are the safest investment options because the government is involved and all that. What is the new development now that might attract you to invest in Treasury bills? Because as at the time I'm talking to you now, the cryptocurrency market has crashed, the stock market has also crashed, and we are just left with the real estate market. So for someone who maybe don't have enough money to invest in real estate, there are other options that you might be looking for. So some people will join multi-level marketing and all that, but one of the safest place to go is the Treasury bills. And now the craziest thing about this is the interest rate has increased. Now this is especially in Ghana. Now the interest rate has increased to over 24%. At first it was, somewhere 2 years back, it was like 14%, 16% that way. But now it has jumped to over 24%. So guys, the reason why it has actually jumped is because, the government set a target. They set a target. They want a specific amount, within this year or in the year. So they try to increase the interest rate for more people to join and invest in Treasury bills so that they can get the set target they want. All right, so guys, that's the main reason why the interest rate has increased now, and more people are venturing into it. And some of my colleagues even say when it reach 30% before they'll invest. But guys, if you have some money and you don't want to, or you can't afford to lose that money, one of the safest place to go now is the Treasury bill. But if you have enough money to go into real estate, why not? But if you don't have enough money, just like me, I will recommend Treasury bill for you, and that will be safer. All right, so guys, I believe this video has been helpful to you. If you love this update, if you find this update useful, and be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, because I'm yet to bring you more updates and finance videos. All right, so guys, thank you for watching this video, and I'm going to see you in my next video.